Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security section. So let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find more settings, and as you can see on the second position, maybe not second position, in the second section, on the second position we've got the encryption and credentials. So let's enter, and here basically all we have to do is to simply tap on delete all credentials. Let's confirm it, and normally your device will ask you for the pattern pin or password, of course if you've got one currently set. If not, then it will just remove credentials. As you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to remove certificates in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.